So I've got Mi Band 6 here, and I've been using this band for a few days now, and I've got some insights to share with you. So in this video I want to talk about 10 cool things that you can do with Mi Band 6. So without any further delays, let's get to it. And the first thing that I want to talk about is the SPO2 sensor, because it's a new addition to Mi Band 6, which is available globally. Last year we had it in Mi Band 5, but it was only available in China. So let's talk about the SPO2 sensor. First, I'm going to have to put it on. Now there are a few things that you need to take care of before you turn on the SPO2 detection. You need to wear the band one finger breadth above the wrist joint, and you need to wear it tightly and then keep still and keep it upright. So once we have done that, let's go in the SPO2 app here and then just tap on this button, and then we just wait. So there you go, we have the measurement 97%, which seems accurate enough to me. So that's how you check your blood oxygen saturation. Now one thing to know here is that it does not check your blood oxygen levels continuously in the background. You can only spot check your blood oxygen levels. And secondly, Xiaomi says that it is not to be used for medical purposes. So be aware of that. Now the next feature that I want to talk about also binds in with the SPO2 sensor and actually uses the SPO2 sensor, and it is sleep breathing quality. So if you are using, or if you intend to use Mi Band 6 to track your sleep, your Mi Band 6 will not only track your sleep, the SPO2 sensor will track your blood oxygen levels and will tell you how well you have been breathing while you were sleeping. So if you go in the Mi Fit app on your phone, you can then go in sleep analysis, and here you will see sleep breathing quality. So it gives you a specific number, and you can then check if it's in the green zone. If it's in the green zone, you're all good. And here you can read all about the relationship between sleep and breathing, and how poor breathing while you're asleep leads to you being tired the next day and stuff like that, and how can you improve the breathing quality while asleep. And again, don't take it for a medical advice. You need to visit your doctor if you have severe problems. Alright, moving on, you can also turn on the detect activity feature on Mi Band 6. So once you turn this feature on, your band will detect in the background if you're working out or not. So as soon as you start the selected workout, the band will track it even if you have not turned on the activity tracking on the band. So for that, we need to first go in settings and then scroll down, and here you will see detect activity. Go in here, tap on this option here, and here you can see all these activities. Now you can select them or unselect them, and if you do one of these activities every day, you can obviously select them, and then you don't have to start the activity tracking on the band every time. Your band will detect it automatically and track it. So we have walking, run, cycling, elliptical, and then rowing machine here, so you can choose between them. Moving on, we also have camera control feature on Mi Band 6, and you need to go through a bit of setup before you can use this feature. So first we need to go on the Mi Fit app on the phone. If you go in Mi Band 6 here and then scroll down, you will see labs option. Go in here, go in camera settings, and here you will have to link your Mi Band 6 with your phone, and then you can turn on the camera. And from your band, all you have to do is go in more, go in camera, and here you can use this button to control the shutter on your phone. So if I tap on it, it will take a photo. And if you've selected video on your phone, then this shutter button will help you start recording the video on your phone. Next, you can also control these widgets, and you can change their order and which ones you want and which ones you don't want here as well. And for that, again, we need to go in the Mi Fit app on the phone, and here once you're in the Mi Band 6 dashboard, you need to go in band settings, and here you'll have to go in shortcut settings. So here you can select all these different widgets. They're called shortcuts. So right now I have music, weather, and workout, but you can add one of these or a lot of these then. So let's start adding. So you can add heart rate, blood oxygen, let's add event reminder. So there you go, we have a limit here, so up to 6, we can add up to 6 widgets here, and then obviously you can change their order. So long press and then move around. So if we have to save it, and then we will have all these widgets available to us on the band. Alright, moving on, we can also turn on the band lock feature from right here. So if we go in here, all you have to do is set up password here. So save it. And then what this does is that as soon as you take off your Mi Band 6, it will lock the screen. So right now it's off, and there you go. We have a lock on the Mi Band 6 now, as it's off my wrist. Now all we have to do is put in the password and it will unlock the band. So this is to protect your band in case it gets stolen or you lose it. Your band will stay secure with this band lock feature. Next up, I want to talk about the night mode feature on this band. So again, we go in band settings, and here you will see this night mode feature. Go in here. You can then select three options. You can turn it off, turn on after sunset, or you can schedule it. Now, as I have scheduled it here to turn on at 12 AM and end at 10 AM in the morning. So during this time, screen brightness will be lowered automatically at night. Now there is one very important tip that I want to give you here. If you wear this Mi Band 6 at night to track your sleep, and in case you don't want the screen to turn on because you move your hand at night and shine this bright light in your face and disturb you. And to do that, and to get the complete night mode feature on Mi Band 6, go back, go in lift wrist to view info, and here set this to schedule, and then you can set a start time and end time. So as I've set it here, 10 AM in the morning, and end time is 12 AM at night. So within this time window, I can lift my wrist and the band screen will turn on and give me the time. But after 12 AM, even if I move my wrist around, the screen will not turn on, and this guarantees that while I'm sleeping, even if I move my wrist around or move my hand around and I put it close to my face, the screen will not turn on and shine this bright light in my face and disturb me. So you can use these two features in tandem to get complete night mode on Mi Band 6. Moving on Mi Band 6, we also have female cycle tracking. So you can track your menstrual cycle as well if you're a female on this band, and see all this information in the Mi Fit app as well as on the band itself, which I'll show you in a minute. So first of all, we need to go in more here and then select cycles and go in settings, and here you can add in the period length, cycle length, and you can turn on the predictions, turn on the notifications, and you can turn on sending notification to your band as well, and add in all these details. And once you do that, if you go back, you will see all these details appear in a calendar format, and you can see all these time periods down here. And then you can also track different things like pain, bleeding, and how you've been feeling, and symptoms, and a record of symptoms, and a timeline of symptoms as well. And the way to see this on the band is by adding a cycles widget to your band. So if you go in profile, go in Smart Band 6, go in band settings, go in shortcut settings, and here you can add another widget, cycles, and save it. And once you do that, you can then go in these widgets, and here you will see the cycles option here, and then you can scroll to see different days and what was happening on that day as well. And you can use this to record a new cycle as well. So you can tap here and you can start a new cycle and record it from the band itself. Next up, you can also create a custom watch face for your Mi Band 6, and for that we need to go in store in Mi Band 6 dashboard, and here you will see all these dials, custom dials, and select any one of them, and from here you can add in a background. If you tap on it, it will give you an option to take a new photo or select one from gallery. You can select one from gallery, any one of them. So let's say I will select this one, press done, and then you can change the color of the time. So I'll select this one, sync watch face, and then wait for it to sync with your Mi Band 6. So there you go, it's syncing now, taking its time, and here we have it. So in this way you can even add your own photo to the watch face for your Mi Band 6. And finally, the last thing that I want to talk about is that you have the ability to store up to 6 watch faces or dials on your Mi Band 6. So we have 3 that come pre-selected. So if I long press on this watch face, we will go in this dashboard where we can scroll through all these different watch faces on the band. I've added this one and this one, and now these 3 come pre-selected, so you cannot change them. The way to add these different watch faces to your band so that you can swap them really quickly is through, again, store, and then go in manager, and here you will see that I've got these 6 watch faces on the band, and from here you can actually change them. You can press delete and then select which ones that you want to delete. So you can select only 3 of them because the other 3 are fixed. So let's say I will delete this one, So that's gone, and now I have space for one more. So once I've deleted the watch face from the band, I can then select any one of the other watch faces and put that on the band. So I can select anyone from my favorites. So let's go in favorite. Here I will select one of them. If I select this one, and I'll tap sync watch face. There you go. Now I have got the 6th watch face here on the band as well. So that's how you can add it. You can also add any one of these watch faces from the store. As soon as you'll download it, it will go to your band's memory. So there you have it, guys. These were the 10 cool things that you can do with Xiaomi Mi Band 6. Now I want to know from you guys, if you have any one of your favorite features, share with us in the comments, and give this video a like if you have enjoyed this video. Also consider subscribing for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.